Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now.
The channel in today's video, guys, we'll be working here on a Dodge Journey, guys. And this is the same as Fiat Freemont. And if you have, guys, a code, okay, such as P0340 or P0365, stay with us and we'll explain how to fix all that. Now, we'll have, guys, more than 200 videos on this car, so please, guys, subscribe to the channel for more videos. Our goal is to save you as much money as we can by teaching you how to fix your car for free. So we need to go on the inside now. Okay, and you might experience hard time starting your car, limited power as well, you'll go in limp mode. Okay, let me see. Finally, it fired up and it died. Fired up and it died. So, if I try again. Okay, you can see. Now it's on, engine light is on. So, I'll turn it off. We'll turn the ignition on, do not press the brake, no brake, car not running. We're going to get the computer now here. Okay, we'll get the computer. You can see you can work on almost any vehicle you can think of, guys. This computer is amazing. So, what we'll do, okay, I'm going to go to VIN number, auto detect here, and we'll select Dodge. Next, it's going to read the VIN number and later it's going to decode it and tells us exactly which vehicle we have. Okay, oh, reading VIN number, I accidentally clicked the wrong button. We need to click OK. Perfect. Now, we need to confirm that it's a 2012 Dodge Journey. Yes. And next, establishing communication, we need to click Diagnostics. Control unit, engine light will be under powertrain and engine computer. Now all we have to do, click read codes. Next we're going to click read codes, okay, and the codes that we have now, guys, okay, check it out, P0340, P0365. Both of them are camshaft position sensor, bank 1, sensor 2, so let's go ahead and explain, guys, okay, what is causing that, how to fix it and all that stuff. We'll need to turn the ignition off now. Okay, never ever have the ignition on when you're working on the engine. And we're going to go ahead and show you guys how to get to the camshaft position sensor for bank 1 and where to find those two sensors now. So with 8mm socket, guys, we're going to remove, okay, this boot right here. Okay, let me get a good angle. Okay, one clamp here, one there. Now we're going to pick it up, okay, pull it out, and the intake boot will come out. Okay, like that. Okay, so now let me just leave it somewhere so I do not drop it. Okay. And if you guys look at your engine this way, this is bank 2, bank 1 is towards the windshield. And this sensor, guys, okay, right here, this sensor, this is sensor 1 and 2. You have two sensors in one because on each end it has a sensor that it detects, okay, the revolutions per camshaft. So that's actually, guys, two sensors in one. And if you have any of those codes, it's a bad sensor or a bad wiring connector, so always check your wires as well. But this is the sensors, guys. We'll replace ours. We have the video how to replace it because it's quite complicated thing on our channel. Please check it out. And we'll show you guys, okay, if that fixes the problem now. So we replaced ours. We're installing the hose now. Okay. And by the time I go inside and turn the engine light off, okay, we'll have the hose installed. So, no brake. Click twice. Run. Okay, without the engine running now. We're going to go back. Okay, click erase codes. Yes, yes. Codes have been successfully erased, you can see, okay. And now I'm going to start the car. And it fired, guys, okay, without any problems at all, and we don't have any lights as well. So you can see that definitely took care of that. So thank you guys for
Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.